Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about how to make $100 per hour driving for Lyft, okay? So if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver, here's how to do it. So please thumbs up the video. And also I wanted to thank our sponsor, Current. Current is a new bank that is helping Uber and Lyft drivers get paid up to 2 days faster. No cash out fees. You can go overdraft up to $200 and have no fees, and you can earn 4% APY on your earnings. So check out Current down below. Again, they're helping Uber drivers get paid up to 2 days faster. So if you need money quick, sign up for Current below. It's free to sign up, which is the best part. And now let's get started. All right, so here we have it, my friends. This was posted in our Uber and Lyft drivers Facebook group by a guy named Larry. He shared this on social media, and I'm sharing it here too. Sorry, Larry, I didn't ask for your permission, but I'm assuming if you're sharing your dag screenshots, you probably don't really mind if it's shared on YouTube as well. You're giving me free content, okay? That's what you're doing. So shout out to you, Larry. I appreciate your help. And Larry, if you're not using Current yet, sign up for Current using the link below. They're gonna help you out, and you can start earning some serious cash back or some serious interest on this earnings. I'm starting to recommend to people, sign up for Current after every ride, throw in a few bucks into your account, and it's gonna, you know, build the interest huge. So this is what he shared. He goes, he earned $196.51 in 1 hour and 44 minutes, which very briefly, just so we're not lying here, this ain't clickbait, 196 divided by 1.75, that's what 1 hour and 44 minutes is. Slightly low, slightly less, but 112 bucks an hour. That's really what he earned. His pickup was at 8:14 p.m. The swipe pays to drive at night. His drop off was at 9:58 p.m. and he earned his base rate $1.68. Is that per mile? That's actually pretty good to me. His time, oh no, $1.17 per mile. That's actually not bad. His time was 18 cents a minute. Interesting. But yeah, his distance. So this guy, he drove 94 miles in 1 hour and 44 minutes. That's not about right. Yeah, I mean, he's basically driving 60 miles an hour on average to do that. But listen to this, my friends. He got a $49 tip. So it pays to be nice. I honestly think they probably had a great conversation. And also, this fuel surcharge, 55 cents, absolute joke. That should be prorated. If you're driving 94 miles, that should be $30 fuel surcharge, at least. Because it's probably costing, I mean, he's driving 94 miles there. He's got to drive back home. He's probably gonna put on destination filter, wait around for a bit, maybe start driving back, and if he gets a couple rides on his way back, you know, that'd be really helpful. But let's check out the comments here. He says, what is that TNC ordinance payment? You already earned above minimum wage. He goes, I am not sure. Oh yeah, TNC ordinance. He got 15 bucks extra from TNC minimum compensation ordinance. Let me know if you guys are getting that. Mazen said, congratulations. Spam comments. Uber doesn't disable. Another spam comment. Wow, a lot of spam comments. Good thing you got that 55 cents fuel charge. That really made the ride for you. I know, that's funny, David. That's what I was thinking too. But yeah, pretty awesome. That's how it works, my friends. These rides don't come all the time, but when you do get a 94-mile ride, you want to make sure you take it, because 196 bucks alone, that's, you know, 196, let's just say you're doing that 196 times 365, that's is that right? 196 times 365. If you do one of those rides a day, that's 70,000 bucks a year. People think it's impossible to make money with Lyft. It's not, my friends. That's the reality. So anyways, thanks for watching today's video. Check out our sponsor, Current. I do have Current right here on my phone. It is super legit. You can see my account. I have 100 bucks in my account. It's growing to $100.34, and you can sign up for direct deposit, get paid up to 2 days faster, and there's free overdraft up to 200 bucks. You can type in Lyft here, get signed up. You can type in Uber, get signed up. Uber driver, it's really awesome. Check it out down below. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye now.